Hey guys, welcome back to J&C Collects. Make sure to give us a big thumbs up, subscribe. Let us know that you're liking these Pokemon and sport videos. Okay guys, give us a big thumbs up. But in today's video, we're going to be battling the two boxes here. We got the Mabosstiff EX Box and the Palafin EX Box. So we're going head to head with these two boxes to see which one's better. So each box contained 4 booster packs. So in this box, we got the Paradox Rift, Temporal Forces, Scarlet and Violet, and also another Paradox Rift.
Then I have 2 Obsidian Flames and 2 Twilight Masquerades. Remember, like, subscribe, share, follow, all of that, please. Thank you. So I'm going to start off with Obsidian Flames. Smooth room. Here we go. That hollow we got of him was really crazy. We pulled that off camera. And okay.
Also, each box did come with a Mega EX card and their evolutions. I'm going in with the Paradox Rift.
Here we go. Come on, baby.
Alright.
Come on, come on, come on.
Iron Bundle, Iron Moth, and an Orbeetle.
Got something.
Woo! We already have this one, but not...
The EX. I don't think we have that.
We have something else, but this is awesome! Ding, ding, ding! First hit.
There we go. Alright, let's get back to it. Good feelings. Good vibes. Good vibes only. I've got a good feeling. Please, let me use my first sleeve on the pool. I haven't gotten anything worth sleeving up yet. Deep breath. Okay,
Happy.
we have it. But hey, always take an art.
Full art.
So, alright. Got a poppy out of it. Not bad, not bad.
Okay, I'm going in with Temporal Forces. Rescue Board, Rainbow Bee, Terra Cat, Arbok. Ooh.
Okay, that's a new one.
Yeah. I don't know. I've never seen this one. But okay.
I like it.
I like the art.
Yeah. Alright. Twilight Masquerade. This one's usually kind to me. Come on. Jinx. Jinx, you don't buy me a Coke.
Come on, let's go, let's go.
Enamorous.
Ah.
Come on, come on, come on. Energy up. Let's get excited.
Okay, we're going in with Scarlet and Violet.
Quaxley.
Rare Candy. Let's
Oh, I
go.
see something. Hopefully it's good.
Let's go.
Hopefully it's good.
And
Oh.
no. No.
Alright, last pack for me. Twilight Masquerade. Oh, do we have that one yet?
No. We have a different art of this one. I think we have like an EX or something different. Full art.
Okay, full art.
Yeah.
Yeah. Come on, come on, come on, come on.
Ooh.
Good vibes. Good vibes.
We don't have that
I
one.
don't have that one. That's actually okay.
Very nice.
It's a different kind of Arcanine I did not expect.
Yeah, we don't have that. Cool. Okay, guys, that is the last pack for this video, and it's going to be the Paradox Rift. Let's see what we get. We have so many of those. Come on.
I think we never eat. Oh, I see
And-
something.
Okay.
Poop on it.
Ah! Nothing. Okay, guys, so we're ending the video with this Brute Bonnet Ancient card here. I hope you guys enjoyed it. It wasn't too bad. You got some nice, big cards and the evolutions. Not too bad, especially if you can find it on a deal. Make sure, guys, to subscribe, like, give us a big thumbs up. Continue to watch, support, and we love ya, and we'll see you in the next video.